Welcome to the guide on how to use CensorX. Today I'll be introducing you CensorX version 1.0. On the introductory screen of the application, you will see three cards and these are for three different users. First is for the parent user, second is for child and third is for any individual user. First, I'll be introducing you the parent-child duo. So if you're a parent, you just have to click on the parent card and it will redirect you to the parental dashboard. Now here, the parent is not subscribed to any CensorX services, hence no devices is connected till now. So first the parent have to go to the plans section and here the parent will see different plans for monthly and yearly basis to subscribe to CensorX services. For the parents, we provide content censoring for brutal, sexual, explicit content in real time, and we also provide harassment detection and prevention services. We provide incident alerts in real time to the parents, and we also provide monthly summaries. So the parent will click on continue with parental plan, will add it to the cart and choose the payment method and pay and subscribe. Now, once it's done, the parent will move towards the profile section. Here, the parent have to set a 4-digit PIN. This PIN is for security purpose. I'll show you where we are going to use this PIN later. So once the PIN is set, the parent will go back to the dashboard. Now here, the parent is now subscribed to the CensorX services, but right now no devices is linked. So I'll click on add device. Now this is the devices section. Here the parents will manage all the devices plus what service to turn on and off. All the management thing will be done here. And one more thing, that this section is only accessible by parent user and not the child, so that the child cannot turn off the services. I'll click on unlock. For this security purpose, we have set the 4-digit PIN. I'll enter that PIN. Now we are introduced to a whole new section. Here the parents can link up to 3 devices, and among those 3 devices, one device will be the device which I am operating right now. So I'll name it as own device. So the system automatically detects the first connected devices as this phone's device. Then I have two more option to connect 2 more devices. 3. Now as for the control of the phone I'm operating right now, I'll have to click on manage, and here I can turn off and on the CensorX services and save it. Now about the other 2 devices, which is the child device. I'll explain you how we are going to connect this to the parent device. But first, let's explore the parental dashboard. So I'll go back to the dashboard, and now I'm going to get a view of all the statistics about the screen captured, screen censored, and the summary of whatever incident is being done on this phone and on the other 2 phones. And for that, I just have to select which device statistics I want to view, and I'll get a summary of it. Now this was all about the parental management, device creation, and parental dashboards. Now next, when the parent turns on all the services for all the devices, and if any unusual activity is detected in child's phone or this phone, any online harassment activity is detected, so the parent will be notified in this section. Here the alerts will appear, so the parents can take precaution and save their child from online harassment. Now next we will move towards the process of how to connect the other 2 devices to this parental device. So I'll go back to the devices section, enter my PIN, and for example I'll take child 3. Now I will move to the other device, which is going to be the child device. There the same application will operate, but on the introductory screen now I will select my role as a child. You will be redirected to the child's dashboard. Right now, no parent is connected. So we'll click on connect parent. Here we have to enter the passkey. Click on connect. Then parent is connected. Now this device is secured by CensorX and all the services are turned on and the parent is successfully connected. Now to manage the control of the child's device, only the parent can manage it. Here also that 4-digit pin we set in the parent ID, we have to enter it to manage the controls of the child ID. And here also only parent can turn on and off the services and save and go back. No child can access this section without the parental passkey. So this is how a child and a parent can be connected. Let's see how CensorX works for individual user. So on the introductory screen, I'll click on individual and I'll be redirected to the individual dashboard. For individual, it's very easy to use. If you want to use the services, just go to the plan section. Uh, See what are the plans for each services. We have monthly plan, that is a starter pack, a yearly plan, then customize your card plans where you can buy services individually. So whatever you want to purchase, just add it to the cart. Payment method, select the payment method, pay and subscribe, and done. Once payment is done, you can use the services. You can manage your own controls of whatever services you want to turn on and off. As for the individual users, if he or she is facing any online harassment and is detected by our application, then a pop-up like this will appear, which will show what you can do in that situation right now. Do not reply, block or mute, take screenshot in case you need evidence. And if you feel unsafe or threatened, you can call these given numbers. You can visit the site, and for this we will be collaborating with NGOs and others. So this will be the remedy we will provide to CensorX for individual users for the case of online harassment. This was all about CensorX version 1.0. The APK is available on our website. You can check it out there and download and use CensorX.